Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a new indie eyeshadow palette, another new indie eyeshadow palette to share with you guys today, and that comes to us from Klarity Kosmetics. I picked up their latest release, which is the Lily palette. This palette retails for $48 on the Klarity Kosmetics website. And look at this beauty. You are getting 10 gorgeous shades in this palette. There are 5 super pigmented mattes. I'm reading that off the website. 3 foiled shadows and 2 amazing duochromes. I do have a code with Klarity Kosmetics. I believe it's Steff5. You can use it on their website. However, that code as of right now is not valid on any palettes. And the reason why they're not honoring discount codes right now is because the cost to make the palettes has gone up. So rather than raising the cost of what they would ordinarily charge for a palette like this, they would rather just, have us all pay a full price and not use a discount to kind of just offset those costs. Totally understand that, guys. But I do believe you can use discount codes on other products on the website. This will be my second time trying Klarity Kosmetics. I have the Evil Mermaid, which I'll have that video linked up above. The Evil Mermaid palette is a 9-pan palette. It's an amazing, beautiful blue-green palette. If you have that one, let me know in the comments what you think, but I have heard nothing but good things ever since I reviewed that one. A lot of you that did pick it up have been enjoying it, and you have other amazing Klarity Kosmetics palettes in your stash. Let me know what some of your favorites are. Sound off in the comments down below. But I will be creating 3 looks with this gorgeous palette. I am super excited. In case it is your first time here on my channel, first and foremost, hello and welcome. My name is Steff. This is what I love doing. I love doing new makeup reviews. You're always going to see the latest and greatest in makeup, and I cover all price points of makeup. Definitely drugstore to some luxury, but a lot of indie and high-end in between. I love doing multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, which is what you're going to see here today, makeup ranking videos, monthly makeup ranking. If all of that sounds great to you and you want to see my videos on pretty much a daily basis, because I do upload quite a bit, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you like what you see, if you like this video, if you like the Lily palette from Klarity Kosmetics, be sure to give it a thumbs up on your way out. All of the makeup that I'm using in today's video will be linked and listed in the description box down below. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I got rained on today, guys, as I was walking to my car from work. It just started pouring, so my hair, yeah, I'm gonna need to wash it today or tomorrow. It still has a little bit of that crimp, of that wave in it. If you've watched my recent videos, you know how I got this, but yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm really liking that new styling iron that I picked up from Chi. If you guys want to see the new Klarity Kosmetics Lily palette in action, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Let's open this up. So I can tell right away that this is one of the duochromes, because you see this pink and I'm looking at it from this angle and I see it green. So that's one for sure. Don't know yet which the other one is. It could be one of these right here, or maybe it's this one. Yeah, it might be this one. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do, I really want to use the shade. This shade is really intriguing me. So I think I'm gonna go, I think I want to do this for the lower lash line. And then I think I'm going to try doing this shade, or maybe we should do these 2 shades. Let me try doing these 2 shades in the crease. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Budding Romance. I'm taking this on a Rephr 15. So they were definitely telling the truth. The mattes so far are super pigmented and it's blending out well. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Oh No, I Wet My Plants, and I'm going to take that on a Rephr 13. Beautiful, beautiful. These are blending together very nicely. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. The shade is called You Grow Girl. And let me just swatch it. Wow, it feels really creamy. So there you can see the different shift. Put it on the back. Wow. These are definitely very foiled shadows. So I'm going to try applying it with my Morphe M124 without spraying. I think I am going to spray the brush though, just because I don't want to get fallout. Now I'm going to go in with this bright orange for the lower lash line, and I'm using a Rephr 26. I love a shadow this color. It's just so much fun to use. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to try this shade right here. This one is called Tiger Lily, and I'm going to use the same Rephr 26, and I am going to spray it. Love that. Now I did have some mascara on already. It is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, but I think I'm going to add some lashes just because I've had this face of makeup on for like 10 hours already. I feel like my lashes need a little bit of help right now. So I'm gonna add the finishing touches and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 1. I'm using some new lashes that I got from Kiss. They are the So Wispy lashes. I like them. They're super lightweight and it has that invisible band. I like them, easy to apply. For the lower waterline, I went in with this Odens Eye Eyeliner. This is one of their new gel eyeliners. It's in the shade 02. It's the orange one, and look, I swatched it back there. Again, I already mentioned the mascara I'm using in today's video is this one from Tarte, Lights Camera Lashes. And that's it. This is a completed look. I love it. I think it is absolutely beautiful, that duochrome. Ooh, I'm gonna hate to take this one off. Let's move over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. All right, so for look number 2, I want to do something with the shade down here. I want to put this, I think, like all over the lid and into the crease, and then go in with this. So kind of keep it light, and then maybe we'll do something a little bit more bold for the lower lash line. So let me take this shade first. This one is called Just a Lily Bit. And I'm gonna use a BK 206. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade. This one is called Nowhere to Grow. Picking that up on a Morphe M124. I did spray it. I'm gonna start by just placing this in the center. It's beautiful. This is one of those more like traditional shimmer shadows. I mean, it's still shimmery, but it's not like this. Like this is the duochrome. Actually, I think I'm just gonna go ahead with this all over. So something like that, very simple, 2 shades. Now for the lower lash line, let's do, I think I wanna do this one. This one looks like it's gonna be one of the duochromes. This one is called Last But Not Least. So I'm gonna swatch this first because I haven't swatched this palette yet when I'm sitting down to film this video. Yeah, so that's also a duochrome shade right there. Ooh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna spray my little BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Of course, this shade, you would see more of the shift if it was like on the lid, but I like that. I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna add a little bit of the shimmer shade that I used for the top. I'm gonna bring that right in here. Now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Same little pencil brush, and I'm just gonna bring that right below. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the finishing touches off camera. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Alright guys, here's the completed look number 2. I went in with another Odens Eye Eyeliner for the lower waterline. It's this pink one. This one is shade 01. And here's the look, same lash, same mascara. Both of these looks were so easy to create. This is a really nice matte and shimmer formula, and of course the duochrome formula. It's really easy to work with. The shimmers aren't very textured, unlike some other brands, like for example the Gourmand Girls and the It's Belle Cosmetics. Those shimmer shadows had a little bit more texture to them. These are very, very smooth. Definitely that foiled effect that the description does say. So I need to wash off this look. I think I'm going to wash off this one. This one I think is going to be easier since this is a lighter color rather than this one. And I'll be right back and we'll start creating the third and final look with the Lily palette from Klarity Kosmetics. All right, let's start working on look number 3. So I haven't used this shade or this shade, and I think that's it. It was just those two that I haven't used. So let me start with this one in the crease. This one is called Best Buds, and I'm taking the shade on a rougher 15. All right, so now I'm going to take some of this shade. I'm going to use this to deepen up the outer corner. This one was the shade I used in this first look called Oh No, I Wet My Plants. Adding a little bit more of Best Buds. All right, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Flower Power. And I'm using a damp Morphe M124. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shade Tiger Lily. I'm going to apply it right here to the center. Now I'm going back in with Best Buds on a Refer 26. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, the duochrome for the inner corner. This one is You Grow Girl. It's such a foiled shade. It's beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna add the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you this third and final look. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 3. I wanted to do something different in the lower waterline. So another Odens Eye eyeliner, all Odens Eye today. But this is a green liner and this one is in the shade 05. Here's the completed look. I love it. This duochrome is phenomenal. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts in case you don't know them already on this new Klarity Kosmetics Lily palette. Alright guys, so after creating 3 looks with the Lily palette, I love it. I love it. There's something about these larger pen sizes that I really enjoy as well, but they're not kidding when they say these are super pigmented matte shades and they're really easy to work with. A little definitely goes a long way, and I like that they can be packed on, blended out, they work well with one another, and I love this color story. I love that they gave us the orange, they gave us like this seafoam green down here, and then all of these like purple magenta shades, the duochromes. Again, very smooth shimmer shadows. Definitely recommend spraying the brush or maybe using your favorite glitter primer just to really make them as impactful as possible. Today I didn't use the glitter primer, I just sprayed my brush and that seemed to work just fine. I didn't get any fallout and I love the looks I was able to create with this. This is a really nice, a very cohesive palette. You do get a mirror. Once again, this retails for $48 on the Klarity Kosmetics website. Unfortunately, discount codes are not valid with their palettes at the moment just because of the rising costs. But if you do want to get a discount on other stuff besides palettes, because they have a whole bunch of things, I like their lippies as well, you can use my code Steff5 and that'll give you 5% off of your order. Everything will be in the description box, everything that I used today, both on and off camera. Let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you think of Klarity Kosmetics, this new Lily palette? It is the Press Pigment palette. I enjoyed working with it. It's getting 2 thumbs up from me, but let me know which look you like best. Are you team 1, 2, 3, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. I will see you all very soon. Bye.